Hi, I'm Jake Feynman from BirdDog, product specialist for BirdDog Cloud. We have so many exciting news to hear at IBC 2023 in Amsterdam. Let's jump right in. So first we have our Adobe direct partnership. So right inside Adobe, we are now transmitting our program output and our timeline directly through a new Mercury Transmit plugin that we've designed, allowing us to stream our Adobe timeline and right from our editors directly to any producer through our Cloud Connect suite of applications. These suite of applications is for iOS, Apple TV, Android TV, Samsung Tizen displays. Essentially any web browser that can play back video will be able to stream your edit session directly to your producers or your viewers anywhere in the world. As we can see at this booth over here, we have our program output and our timeline continuously streaming. We are streaming that to my iPad, which is broadcasting that timeline and that program. We're able to then have a camera return feed directly from that iPad right into Adobe, so that way we have the combination of a director, producer, co-collaboration workflow without ever having to jump into Zoom, Teams, or any other conferencing applications. We have direct control over each side of the thing, so let me show you what that looks like. So we can jump right in through our extension panel right here in Adobe to jump in and stream that Premiere program output right to our end device. We can choose to then stream that screen capture display, which has our timeline, so the editor and producers can have that conversation. And we can even go back and jump into that split screen option. Not only does the editor have that control, but the producer also has that control. So with able to just pull straight down, I can jump full screen and go right back into my Premiere. So we have full, complete control from both sides of the producer and the editor. And this is all powered with BirdDog Cloud. So BirdDog Cloud is our revolutionary hybrid remote video production platform, which enables us to send and receive NDI, SRT, SDI feeds to and from any location that has internet access across the globe. So we easily download that on Windows, Linux, or Apple M1 and M2s to be able to stream any of our content out to any destination or receive and pull in. So we can send our streams directly from here. We have RTMP outs to any CDN that are available. We have our cloud-to-cloud SRT, which enables the direct transmission from site to site. We are now supporting RIST, another amazing protocol for reliable internet streaming. Our fourth option over here is our Cloud Connect, which is based off that WebRTC, which enables us to stream directly to any of these devices or web players. We can even do local recording, which enables to have that NDI, SDI, and NDI streams all recorded locally. And we can even stream to third-party and SRT alliance members. So we can stream over to Makitos, we can stream to vMix inputs, VizRT inputs, anything that supports the SRT Alliance, you can pull your NDI streams and transmit directly to those devices. All completely managed through our web interface. So wherever you are in the world, you can ensure your site-to-site connections are made and generated. From over here, we're in Adobe. I have direct access to my BirdDog Australia endpoints. I have endpoints up in AWS in Ireland. I have devices all across the globe that allows me to send and receive those streams. And then as you can see at this entire BirdDog booth that we have over here, we have all of our cameras that can be those streams that come through those devices and send wherever you want to in the world. So let me show you one of the most brand new and exciting cameras that we have. This is the X120. Let's take a walk. Over here, we have our BirdDog X120, which now has Wi-Fi streaming via NDI HX2 and HX3. So now we're able to stream directly onto our Wi-Fi network, be able to pull that stream right into our video production local systems, and then from there, transmit to the globe. So we've also added a very incredible Wi-Fi backing plate for our batteries, which enables to be completely 100% wireless. So that way we have full and complete control. Thanks for joining us here at the BirdDog booth. I'm Jake Feynman, product specialist for BirdDog Cloud. Have a great day.